Yeah. Okay. Leave it right there.
Hi everyone, Timothy Walker here. In this episode, I'm taking you into my friend Jussi's woodworking classroom. Jussi is the principal of the Haapiniemi school in Kuopio, Finland.
Of course, safety is the first priority, but we must teach how to use those tools safely, and then we trust that they are doing it. And if they have something they want to ask, we teach them again and help, of course. If someone is scared to use those sharp tools, we must help them so that they are not scared. So all tools are unsafe if you don't know how to use it. There are only one power tool they can use, it is drill. And this must be used only so that the teacher is just next to the people, not alone. But all the other tools are hand tools. And I think if you know how to use the hand tools, you can use the power tools later. You have to know what to do with each tool. So this is the only one.
For students who are
from 7 to 13 years old. After that, they can use also other power tools.
You show us the hand tools because some of them are pretty scary.
Okay, let's go.
Maybe not to you.
No.
Because you've been here for some time. Or not to them.
No.
But to me. Some other Americans.
Here we have the saws. All the different kinds of, and of course protecting the hearing, the ears, so they know how to use all those. And here we have knives, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Leave it right there.
Hand drills.
But you're not worried that a child will just come over here, pick up a knife, and do something?
We are always here. The teacher is always here, so they are not allowed to be here alone, of course.
Jussi, when would you let a child use one of these saws? How old would they have to be?
7.
7.
This is for teachers only,
Okay.
so we can make our preparations. So here we have this Handsaws and other instruments.
There are so many children in America who don't have woodworking class.
Yeah.
And I'm wondering, from your perspective, what do you think those children in America are missing out on by not having woodworking?
Children, they love making things with their hands, making real from their ideas, and this is the place to do just like that. So it's making dreams come true. So it's very important, and many of them, this is their favorite subject. So I have been many countries visiting schools, and very rare countries has this kind of teaching in the schools. I think creativity and joy are connected together. When you have a chance to use your creativity to make something own, it gives you motivation, gives you ideas, and that gives you joy in learning. I think that's the main point.
So if there's no creativity, there's less joy.
Less joy, less motivation.
You said that children find this class to be their favorite.
Yeah. Yeah.
And probably so much of it's being able to just have the freedom to make things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Value to them too. It's not just the things that can be put on a shelf and left there.
Yeah. just to be in use.
Right. Like a sausage stick.
Yeah.
Or a
hydro chopper
or a hydro chopper.
Or kantele. You can actually play with
Yes.
it. You can use it in your music lessons or at home.
Mm-hmm.
So they are in use. So it's there's no point to making something to be left on a shelf.
Hi again, hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to see more Finnish education videos, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.